Welcome to the Kookaburra Cave. This is where I Zwift, and so I wanted to share today my Zwift setup. I'm just about to go and do a session, but I wanted to share my whole setup with you in case you're interested in how I Zwift, how I indoor train. So I reckon let's just get going. First off though, I always wear shorts rather than bibs. I don't know why anyone would want to wear bibs on an indoor trainer. But I really like having actual shorts, so let's actually get off and show you the setup. So to start off, the trainer that I have is the Flux S. Give me a few months to let you know how I get on with this. Let me turn it around. Basically because this is the third Flux I've had. So the Flux S is the newer version of the Flux. Had two Fluxes and they've both gone back to Tax. Their customer service has been pretty good. They've just swapped them straight away, but it's just when you're without a trainer in winter for 2 or 3 weeks, it does make quite a big difference. So yes, I'm just being honest. This is the problem because I really like, when it's working, I really like the trainer, but it's just the issue with them keep breaking. And I think there were quite a lot of the original Fluxes that were faulty, and so many have gone back. There are so many complaints online about them. So let me have a try with the Flux S, let you know what I think of it and whether or not I'd recommend it. But that is basically the setup that I've got. It is, like I said, the Flux with my baby, with my beautiful Avail. So yeah, let's get on to the next bit. You're gonna have to forgive me because there is a big bright light because it's such a dark room. So, right, water bottle. Need the water bottle because it gets hot and sweaty in here. Hence why always gotta have a towel because, again, it gets hot. Another thing that I would recommend getting is one of these. You can get them like, I think they're called quad lock. This isn't a quad lock. This is a KOM mountain one. Or KM, I can't actually remember the name of the brand, but basically just sticks onto the back of your phone case and it links. It's the same mount as a Garmin, so you just kind of click it on there like that and you can watch stuff on your phone while you're Zwifting. So I do really recommend that, otherwise, unless you have a TV. I am not that fortunate though. So, and this is what I look at when I'm Zwifting. This is an amazing fan. It is a Honeywell, I think it was like 20-30 quid. It's the best fan. It's amazing. It's such a strong and quiet fan. This is not sponsored, but I mean I paid for this fan. It is a really good fan. This is my computer that I have Zwift on. I don't have a TV. I just Zwift using my computer. I just think it's easier, less faffing around. And then this is just a little added extra. It's not actually finished yet. So it might sound a little bit cheesy to some people, but this is like my inspiration board. Just so that when I'm Zwifting and I'm feeling like, God, this is crap, like I hate Zwifting, then I look at this and it like tries to inspire me to ride and think of the summer months ahead, and it'll be worth it. I'm going to put some like pictures. I think I need a bigger board, to be honest. I'm going to put pictures of some of the rides that I'm doing and some of the races, just as like a bit of motivation. So yeah, that is pretty much it. It's a very short, very sweet video today. So I'm trying to think if there's anything else Zwift related or indoor trainer related. I might do, if you would find it helpful, do you want me to do like a week's worth of what Zwift I would do as training? I can do that next week if you want me to. Just let me know in the comments and I will see you next video. Happy Zwifting or happy Sufferfesting, or I'm going to try and do a review of Sufferfest via Zwift because yeah, I've got access to both, so I'm going to try both out and let you know which I think would be better for you, because they're both really good from what I've seen so far, but I think they would just suit different people differently. So I will do a video on that, and yes, see you next video.